My bad. Wow, that was... No, I'm not drunk at all. Okay, I need to look better than this. Let me do a little better than this. Welcome back to... I feel like I should just drink a little bit whenever I'm making a video. It really just loosens me up, and I'm just so down to talk to all of you. I'm talking to a camera right now. But in the spirit of all of this, I say hey to all of you. How are all of you doing? Welcome to this week's video. I want to tell you something, a little secret. I've been drinking this, like it's almost done. I've been drinking it and I'm feeling it, like it's, whew, it feels so good. You know, I was like, in the spirit of the month, in the spirit of my birthday, cheers, in the spirit of spooky times / Halloween, I want to do like a little makeup. Now, I know a lot of people are going out to Halloween parties for, you know, Halloween. And oftentimes, like, we just don't know what the hell to do. Like sometimes we just put on like basic ass makeup, and you know what, that's fine. But I decided that I just wanted to add a little bit more, like a simple, basic, spooky makeup, like dark makeup. Honestly, even though Halloween is my birthday, I'm not really like super big on it, you know. I just like, I don't know, I just like the atmosphere. Like everybody enjoys this holiday, you know. So in the spirit of the holiday, I just say here's a Halloween inspired look. And I feel like this is Halloween inspired behavior too. Cheers to that. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin with this Superfood face oil that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's by Rata and Company, and it has avocado oils in there too. It's really nice. Like, it definitely moisturizes my skin. I love putting it on before bed, so when I wake up, my skin is like super glowing. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm just going to put it on the back of my wrist and use my disposable sponge to apply it to my skin. And it also helps with my acne. I was surprised when I realized this. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer. First, I'm going to spray my brush so it's a little bit moisturized, so the product sticks to the brush easier and I can apply it better. Here, I'm going in to my cheekbones to add some depth to that. I try to do it around the edges of my forehead just to create that depth so that my forehead doesn't look way too big. Next, I'm applying a little bit of lighter concealer under my eyes to really get rid of those darker circles. I started with my fingers and now I'm deciding to go with the brush. I'm also applying it to my lids, so when I put the eyeshadows on, they're very pigmented. They stand out well. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. First, I'm just gonna brush them, and then, oh my god, I just realized that my eyebrow powder got all crumpled. Now I'm gonna add some lighter concealer under my brows to really define them. Then I'm gonna go in with some red from my NYX palette, and that's gonna be the base color of my eyeshadow look. Then I'm going to create a smoky eye with this darker brown. And then after, I'm going to blend it out so that it looks seamless. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild black eyeshadow. Even though Wet n Wild is a drugstore brand, their eyeshadows tend to be really pigmented. So listen, if you cannot afford really expensive pigmented eyeshadows, I say try out Wet n Wild. They're really, really, really good. Now I'm going into the creases of my eyes with a lot more product on the brush to really give that dark, deep look to my eyes. Some of the black, took over my eyelids. So I'm going to go back in with some red just to clean that up and then blend it out. I'm going to add a lighter color to just give the corner of my eyes some pop. And then after, I'm going to go in with my liquid liner. So for this look, I went the extra step to connect my liquid liner at the top to the eyeliner at the bottom. So it gives that cartoonish cat eye look, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to apply some eyeliner on my lower lids and kind of blend that out. This eyeliner is a drugstore eyeliner. I don't remember the brand, but you just blend it out. It's like a chunky crayon. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. Also applied some mascara to my eyebrows just to get them a little bit darker so the look is all balanced out. After which I'm gonna go in and clean up the dust that fell on my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with my concealer again just to define my nose. I'm gonna blend it out. And then add some more depth to my cheekbones. To really make my cheekbones pop and add depth to my profile, I am going to cut my contour with lighter concealer so it has a sharper, more well-defined look to it. Time for lipstick. This is I don't remember what this is. I really don't remember what this is, but I got it from TJ Maxx, honestly. This is a high-end lipstick, and I got it from TJ Maxx for like $8. It was a steal, couldn't let it go. It's by Stila. So I'm just going to apply this color as my base color, and then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, my crayon eyeliner, to add some black to the outer edge so it has that vampire-ish look. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia. I don't remember the color. I'm so bad at this. I'm just gonna apply it on the inner part of my lip and then try to blend it out. I'm gonna go back in with my crayon eyeliner to add more black so it creates like a balanced ombre. I'm gonna lightly blend everything out now, and then people, that's it. Tell me if you like this look, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.